Hello, welcome back to our cozy corner of the internet. I am Lisa.
And I am Mike. We are so happy to spend this time with you today.
Today we have a very important mission. We want to help you think in English.
This is the #1 goal for all my students. They want to stop translating.
It is true. Translating is like walking with heavy shoes. You feel slow and tired.
I remember that feeling. My brain used to hurt after 10 minutes of English.
That is because your brain is working double. It hears English, changes it to your language, thinks of an answer, and changes it back.
That is too much work. We want to make it simple and fun.
Today we have 5 new stories. These are not about sticky notes or coffee shops.
No more sticky notes. Today, we are going to be chefs, detectives, and even friends with our own mirrors.
It is going to be a wonderful journey. This episode is perfect for you if you are at an A1 or B1 level.
We will use simple words, but we will teach you how to use them like a native speaker.
So find a comfortable place, relax, and let's start thinking in English together.
I am so excited. Let's go.
Mike, I heard you were a famous chef this morning. Is that true?
Well, only in my own kitchen, Lisa, but it really helped my English.
Tell us about it. This is our first story, The Invisible Chef.
Okay, so I was making breakfast. Usually I am very quiet in the morning.
I know, you are like a sleepy bear before you have your tea.
Exactly. But today, I decided to pretend I was on a TV show.
A cooking show, like MasterChef?
Yes, I stood in front of my stove and I started talking out loud in English.
What did you say? Did you have an audience?
My audience was my cat, and he looked very confused.
What was the first thing you did?
I looked at my eggs and said, "Welcome to Mike's kitchen. Today, we are frying eggs."
Oh, that is a great start. You used the present continuous tense.
I did. I said, "Now I am cracking the eggs into the pan. Listen to that sizzle."
Sizzle. That is a wonderful word. It's the sound of food cooking in hot oil.
I love that word. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
Did you describe the ingredients too?
Yes, I said, I'm adding a pinch of salt and some black pepper.
Pinch is another good word, a very small amount between your fingers.
It was so fun, Lisa. I wasn't thinking in my native language at all.
Why do you think that worked so well for you?
Because I was doing the action and saying the word at the same time.
Exactly. You were connecting your hands to your English brain.
My brain was too busy being a chef to translate anything.
That is the secret. When you are busy with an action, you don't have time to translate.
I even described the smell. The toast is smelling delicious and crispy.
Crispy. You are using very high-level vocabulary today, Mike.
I'm trying, but then I had a small problem.
Oh no, what happened? Did you burn the eggs?
No, I forgot the word for the tool I used to flip the eggs.
You mean a spatula.
Yes, a spatula. I stopped for a second. I wanted to translate.
But did you? Or did you find another way?
I remembered your advice, Lisa. I used a simple description instead.
What did you say instead of spatula?
I said, now I am using the long, flat tool to turn the egg over.
That is perfect. That is exactly what native speakers do when they forget a word.
It felt so natural. I didn't feel stuck. I just kept going.
That is a big win for your fluency, Mike.
My cat finally walked away. I think he was hungry, not interested in my show.
Well, at least you had a great breakfast and great practice.
I did. And that brings us to our second story. Lisa, you told me about the bus detective.
Yes, this is a story about observation. I do this every day on my way to work.
Are you a real detective? Do you have a magnifying glass?
No, Mike, but I use my eyes and my English mind to observe people.
Observe. That is a good word. It means to watch very carefully, right?
Yes, when I sit on the bus, I don't look at my phone, I look at the world.
That is very brave. Everyone looks at their phones these days.
I know, but I use that time to think in English.
Tell us how it works. What do you see on your bus ride?
Well, this morning I saw a woman sitting across from me.
Okay, what was she doing? Was she a secret agent?
No, she was just reading a very old book.
So, how did you use that for your English thinking?
In my head, I started describing her. I said, she is wearing a bright yellow coat.
Bright yellow. I can visualize that. It sounds very cheerful.
Exactly. Then I thought, she is turning the pages slowly. She looks very interested.
Were you translating those sentences from your language?
No, because I was looking at her, the English words just came to my mind.
That is like the cooking show, but inside your head.
Yes, I even tried to imagine her story. I thought, maybe she's a teacher.
Or maybe she's reading a map to a hidden treasure.
Maybe. I thought, she looks happy. I think she likes this book.
Did you see anyone else on the bus?
Yes, a young boy was eating a green apple. It was very loud.
I hate loud eaters. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
I thought, the boy is hungry. The apple is very crunchy.
You used crunchy too. We are sharing words today, Lisa.
It's a great word for food. The point is, I was narrating the world around me.
Does this help you speak faster when you are in a real conversation?
Definitely, because my brain is already used to finding English words for what it sees.
I see. So when you talk to a real person, your brain is already warm.
Yes, it's like a runner warming up before a big race.
I think I will try that on the train tomorrow. I will be the train detective.
Just don't stare at people too much, Mike. It might be weird.
I will be very secret. I will wear my sunglasses.
Good idea. Now, let's talk about something deeper, the color of feelings.
Oh, this sounds interesting. Is this about how we feel?
Yes, many students translate their feelings. They think, I am sad, in their language, then English.
I do that. When I'm tired, I think of the word in my language first.
We want to change that. We want to connect the feeling directly to the English word.
How do we do that? Feelings don't have a shape like an egg or a bus.
True, but they have colors or images.
Okay, give me an example. What color is sad?
For me, sad is a gray, rainy cloud.
I see. So when you feel sad, you don't think of the word, you see the cloud.
Yes, and I immediately say the English word gloomy or sad.
Gloomy, that is a perfect B1 word. It means dark and a little bit sad.
Exactly. What about excited? What color is that for you, Mike?
Oh, that is easy. Excited is bright orange, like a firework.
I love that. So when you feel that energy, you think excited or enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic, that is a long word, but it feels like a firework.
It does. By using images, you stop the translation process.
It's like a shortcut in your brain.
Exactly. A shortcut to fluency.
I am going to try this. When I am angry, I will see a red volcano.
And you will say, I'm frustrated or I'm annoyed.
Yes, it makes the language feel more real, like it is part of me.
That is what we want. We want English to be your heart language too.
My heart says English is fun.
That is the best thing your heart can say.
But Lisa, what about when I'm alone? Who do I talk to?
That is our fourth story, Mike, the mirror mentor.
The mirror. Do I talk to my own reflection?
Yes, reflection is the image you see in the mirror.
I look at my reflection every morning to brush my teeth.
Instead of just brushing, try to have a 1-minute meeting with yourself.
A meeting. Hello, Mike. How is the business of being Mike?
Not quite. Use it to set a positive tone for your day.
Give me an example. What should I say to the mirror?
You can look at yourself and say, "Today is going to be a productive day."
Productive. That means I will do a lot of work, right?
Yes, you can say, "I'm going to practice my English for 10 minutes."
And I am going to be a great chef.
Exactly. By talking to the mirror, you're practicing your mouth movements too.
Oh, that is true. English has different sounds than my native language.
Yes, and because it is just you and the mirror, there is no pressure.
My mirror never tells me my grammar is bad.
Exactly. It is a very supportive friend.
I like this. It builds confidence.
Confidence is 50% of speaking English. If you believe you can, you will.
I will try this tomorrow. Mike, you are a brave English learner.
That is wonderful. I believe you, Mike.
Thanks, Lisa. Now, what about the last story?
The last story is about something we do every week, the mental shopping list.
Oh, I usually forget my shopping list at home.
That is perfect. If you forget the paper, you have to use your mental list.
In my language.
No, in English. This is the best way to practice nouns and categories.
Okay, so I am in the supermarket. I am looking for milk.
Don't just think milk. Think about the category.
You mean dairy?
Yes. Think, I need to go to the dairy section for milk and cheese.
That is very organized. My brain is usually a mess.
It helps you categorize the world in English.
What if I need vegetables?
You think, I need some fresh produce. I will buy carrots and onions.
Produce. That is a word for fresh fruits and vegetables together, right?
Exactly. It's a very common word in supermarkets.
I am learning so much today. My mental list is getting long.
Just try 5 items. Don't make it too hard.
Okay, milk, carrots, bread, eggs, and chocolate.
Chocolate is very important for thinking in English.
It's fuel for my brain.
When you do this, you are practicing English in a real-world environment.
It feels like a game, a little challenge for my mind.
That is the best way to learn. When it feels like a game, you don't get tired.
I agree. I feel much more enthusiastic now.
Enthusiastic! Look at you using your new words.
I'm trying to be a good student, Lisa.
You are doing great. All these stories show us one thing.
That English is everywhere?
Yes, in your kitchen, on the bus, in your feelings, in your mirror, and at the shop.
You don't need a classroom to think in English.
No, you just need to be curious and consistent.
Consistent. That means doing it every day, right?
Exactly. 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Like brushing your teeth, you do it every day.
Exactly. You don't brush your teeth for 5 hours on Sunday and stop.
That would be very painful.
So make English a part of your daily routine.
I will. I will be a chef, a detective, and a mirror talker.
You are going to be very busy, Mike.
But I will be very fluent, too.
I believe in you, and I believe in all our listeners, too.
Yes, you can do this. Just start small.
1 sentence at a time, 1 thought at a time.
Don't forget the giant penguins.
No, no penguins today, Mike. We're keeping it real.
Fine, no penguins, just me and my eggs.
And your very confused cat.
He will get used to it. He might even learn some English, too.
Maybe he'll be the first cat to think in English.
Meow means I want fish in English, right?
I think so. Well, Mike, this has been a wonderful conversation.
It has. I feel like my brain is already starting to think in English.
That's the goal. We want to warm up your mind.
I am ready for the word tour now. Are you?
I am always ready for a tour. We talked about so many things today. Let's review our favorite words.
I will start. My favorite word today was sizzle.
Sizzle. It is a fun word. It is the sound of food cooking.
I also loved the word ingredients. Those are the things we use to cook.
Great. And I liked the word observe, like our bus detective story.
To observe means to watch something very carefully to learn.
Exactly. And don't forget detective, a person who solves mysteries.
Like me in my sunglasses on the train.
We also talked about our feelings and the word gloomy.
Gloomy means dark and a little bit sad, like a rainy day.
But we want to be enthusiastic. That was another big word.
Enthusiastic means very excited and interested in something.
We also looked at our reflection in the mirror.
That is the image we see when we look at a mirror.
And we talked about being productive in the morning.
Productive means doing a lot of good work and getting things done.
In the supermarket, we looked for produce.
That is a special word for fresh fruits and vegetables.
Finally, we talked about being consistent.
Consistent means doing something regularly, every single day.
Wow, Mike, you remembered all of them. That is amazing progress.
I told you I am a good student.
You really are. These words will help you describe your world in English.
And they will help me stop translating.
Exactly. The more words you have for what you see and feel, the less you translate.
It feels like I am building a new home in my head, an English home.
That is a beautiful way to say it, Mike. Before we go, we have a question for all of you at home.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Our question is, what role will you play today?
Will you be an invisible chef, a bus detective, or a mirror mentor?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know how you practice thinking in English.
It is so fun to read your stories. They give us new ideas too.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to Daily English Stories for Beginners.
Give us a thumbs up if you are ready to stop translating.
We are so proud of you for listening today. Every minute counts.
Keep practicing. Keep being curious.
And most importantly, keep being yourself in English.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Stay enthusiastic.